Yo guys, welcome back to my channel. It's PVR Angad back with another video. And for this video guys, I'm gonna show you how you guys can fix Windows 7 build 7601. This copy of Windows is not genuine, and a black background occurs in front of you automatically and you cannot change the background. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. I'm uploading and streaming every day. Only few percent of you guys are subscribed. Please subscribe, it's free, and let's get started with the video. So guys, what is this error? This error occurs when your computer is not activated. After that, it will show you this error that occurs. How do you check your computer is activated or not activated? So just right click on the computer icon, go to properties and go down here. As you can see, Windows activation, you will see that your Windows is not activated. Activated now. What you need to do is go down in the start menu, just write CMD. What you need to do is left click on it, run as administrator. Type SLMGR space underscore REARN. Enter it, and after that it will show you that restart your computer. So as you can see guys, the error is fixed, and now I have a wallpaper here, and as you can see the wallpaper is set and no error you can see here. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching my video.